with Hank Hatchett.
Hey guys, how you doing? Hank Hatchett here. And before I start, I just wanted to say thank you to the best country on earth, USA. I have something here special today. In the town of Springfield, where the Simpsons are located, they found the rarest, invisible, flawless pink diamond, the biggest one ever. It is like the size of a grapefruit, which is pretty big for a diamond, especially a flawless pink diamond. And they actually brought it here today, and it is being guarded by one of the most toughest people on the earth. He is only 10 years old. He is Dr. Lieutenant Colonel Max Power. And let me tell you a little about him first.
This is Dr. Lieutenant Max Power. He has completed all 5 of the military branch's forms of basic training. He has won military awards and commendations. He has 3 black belts in various forms of karate. He is the youngest Golden Glove boxing winner at the age of 8. The youngest world wrestling champion at 9. He is a master marksman, expert in 145 separate types of firearms and explosive devices. Also a master archer in regular, compact, and crossbows. He's got a doctorate in medicine. He's known as the most dangerous man on the earth at only 10 years old and has a high IQ that is higher than Albert Einstein. This kid is something else.
Mr. Lieutenant Colonel Max Power, come on in. Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you too.
Oh, quite a grip you got.
That's what I'm known for, so.
Before we get started, I just have something for you.
Oh?
This is from the United States government, and they wanted to give this to me, to give to you. It's just another word to you probably, but to us it means quite a bit.
No, this is.
For a civilian, you have done a lot for this great country. Thank you.
This is an honor.
Good.
I'll have my assistant take it right away and put it right in my necklace case that I'll be putting on later. Here you go.
And this diamond, can I touch it?
Well, I prefer you don't touch it. I prefer you don't touch it. I'm going to take here. You could test the power, but first we'd have to make sure we can trust you.
Did you say it's indestructible?
Yes, we'd like you to test that on live television.
This hatchet was made for me, specifically designed to cause damage. The metal was mined from Saturn.
Wow. Very crazy.
So,
I will get out of the way.
where is it?
Well, it is under here. The display
Do
is
I lift it or
indestructible.
do you lift it?
I don't like anyone touching it. I'll be watching right here. That's there.
And don't worry, there's other guards all around here too in case.
Don't worry.
I just
Definitely.
felt like attacking him, but I would not, because he would kill me by the time he saw me probably even thinking about it.
Be very.
Where did I strike right in the middle?
Yes. Guards, watch him closer. I'm watching him, but I'm probably out of frame. Dad?
I think I missed it.
You think you.
I don't know why you guys don't have a tougher plate. I'm sorry.
That's
Somewhere
not
in
our
here
fault.
is a
Who designed the display?
priceless diamond that is not my fault.
Where'd it go?
Being invisible, we don't know. It's only able to be detected by special X-ray to show that it's there. It's like sort of
I think I don't know.
anti-mat. I know. I'm sorry.
Jesus. Taught you how to swing an
Well, I
axe.
think
Your
it
name is
takes-
Hank Hatch.
More of a
More of a what?
yeah. I got nothing. I should have banged that on.
Diamond's
At the
priceless
last minute.
one kind.
Moment, and I totally missed it. I guess.
Yes, you think.
But
Well,
that
there-
plate, that was wow. Was not expecting
Wonder, I don't know.
that.
I will definitely have a speak with whoever made the case. But you're still not off.
So the guys are coming in with the detectors.
Good. Sure.
As I figure, everybody in this room has to stay here until they
Get searched. Head to
until they
toe.
find it. Great. Who knows how long this could take?
Thanks to you.
Well, I guess I can continue on with the news, right? You just
I guess.
you want to stay with me? You can go sit over there, but you can't leave. I might as well. I mean, I'd fuck up it. I'm sorry.
I'll stay. They want an interview, so.
Oh gosh, I see unemployment in the near future.
I'll make sure that release that emotion.
The Titanic, a misconception, was actually an airplane that crashed over the ocean, and when the other ship saw it, it was really just the ship already in the water. It was believed to be America's most guarded secret at the time. It was believed to reach speeds up to Mach 10 and even space travel.
Who gave you that information?
That is just absolutely insane.
Not the only thing today.
Oh, a new race of humans was discovered today for the first time in 100 so years. In the Dungaroo rainforest, known to be a cross between a Homo sapien and unknown DNA origin. We are yet to find out what else makes up this animal. But what makes him this distant makes you think of the evolution, where we came from. What makes it unique is their leaf green skin. They literally have green skin, like the color of leaves. And their toes and fingers are about 10 inches each. That's how they have been able to survive and live in the wild for so long without being seen. They blend in with the rooftops. Sounds like an alien to me. Unknown DNA, yeah. The green.
Will be taken to Area 51
This is going to be by far one of the most amazing discoveries of my lifetime, I think. But who knows what else will happen. This could very well also be the missing link between us and Bigfoot, or it could also be an alien-human hybrid. We don't know yet. And for some more, today's news is just full of good news. Did you know that? You will not believe this, my friend. Today, Democrats and Republicans around the world came together and put aside their anger and decided that they would team up together to fight the country rather than fight each other and destroy it. I mean, I'm glad they had the common sense to know that if they work together, I mean, they only teach you that since you're in,
Well, wait.
preschool? I guess when you grow up in you get into politics. You turn. I will leave my opinion out of this one for now.
More.
But anyway, I hope they can keep it up. There's a little bit of bad news though, but it's not too bad. Over 1 million packages of bologna.
Well, my assistant's calling me. I'll be right back.
Oh, thank you for letting me know.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, over 1 million packages of bologna was called back today
Yes,
for
please.
reportedly having been contaminated with dust from alien DNA. I don't know how they figured that out. A representative for the bloating company reached out to us for a comment, and he said, "This beep happens. This beep sure does happen." Some
Yeah,
quick
get a
facts.
cock ready.
Did you know the average person has 9 cockroaches inside of it? Please, next time, walk around the camera, sir.
Tell me what to do.
The average person has 9 cockroaches inside of him at all times. Women have around 27. Bet you did not know that. That you have a lot of cockroaches inside you at all times. Also, bananas were first made as a donut holder. People would get sick of having dirty hands and not knowing what to do with their donuts, so they invented bananas. That way, they could put their bananas in the donuts like this, and then just eat it like that without getting their hands dirty. It's fantastic. I did not know. I thought bananas just came naturally, but we invented them. It's an American thing. Oh, this dog right here is 674 years old, and it quite possibly has the key to immortality among all animals. Wow. Scientists can figure out its genome system and maybe find out what's been making him tick for that long. What a good doggy. Many famous people have had him throughout the days, such as Michael Jackson, King Henry II. Garbage bags were originally designed as condoms for giants, until giants went extinct. Then what are we going to do with all the garbage bags? People are sick of throwing their garbage out the window, put it in a bag. And that way it made it easier for people to get rid of it. Spiders can understand and follow up to 800 words in command. Good spider.
No, I don't like that story.
That is all I have for today's news. So while we are stuck here and cannot leave until whenever they get here with that equipment to find this diamond,
Make sure the block box ready.
last time we did some ad libs. I said I would finish them on this next.
Do we got any words left to do on it?
We had one more, an adjective.
Literally.
Think one adjective.
An adjective. Adjective. Let's see. What's a good adjective?
Come on.
Oh.
Think of any adjective.
Oh no, think of you, stupid.
This one is titled Get to Know Mrs. Claus. This is a Christmas season one. Here are some facts you may not know about me. Santa Claus's dear North Pole fold, Mrs. Cat Claus. Hometown, the North Balloon. Activities, helping my husband Santa Claus burn, get ready for a Christmas, and taking care of the slimy elves.
Okay.
Interest, baking Christmas hats and knitting planes. She knits one heck of a plane.
Yeah.
Did you want to read the rest of this?
Sure.
I'm at favorite
Lift off your
movies.
plane. Favorite movies. It's a Wonderful Tree. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Ham. Favorite books. The Bleach Before Christmas. Okay.
Oh, I heard that. The Bleach Before Christmas.
Favorite quotation. All I want for Christmas is my two front kidneys. Okay.
Hey, yeah. Everybody needs their 2 front kidneys.
Yeah. About me. Have you ever wondered who brings stupid Santa?
Boys.
Stupid Santa's his moist gifts on Christmas Eve. What surprise! It's little stupid me. Oh Jesus, who wrote that?
Kids didn't hear that last part about me. Have you ever wondered who brings stupid Santa his moist gifts on Christmas Eve? Well, surprise! It's a little stupid me, Mrs. Claus Burn. Oh.
By the way, me and my guards are allowed to leave because we knew somewhere undisclosable location. That's the plane landing, or the helicopter landing right now to take you. Ready?
Well, wait, I'm getting something else.
Sir, please just step
Okay, yep.
over here. Jesus, no. What are you